watching.
Zero, new things happen all the time. You just have to keep moving forward.
The old tortoise chuckled.
Wise words, little kitten.
Just then, Ro's ears twitched.
Mama?
Ro!
Mama, I looked everywhere for you. I had some help from a friend.
Big, squishy hippo hug. Omie padded into the cottage, stretching her tiny paws with a happy sigh. Mama Lulu curled her tail around Omie, licking her head just once. Where have you been, little explorer? Lulu purred. Omie yawned.
Helping a baby hippo find his mama?
That's my brave little kitten, Lulu purred. Omie's ears perked. A saucer of warm milk. The taste of victory, Omie mumbled between sips. As she curled up for her nap, her ears twitched. In the distance, the canary's soft song, the parrots flapping through the jungle, the hippos splashing in the river, and she smiled. Because every adventure begins with a tiny paw step. Did this story warm your heart? If you love magical, heartwarming adventures, subscribe and join us for more. And don't forget, did you find the hidden parrot egg? Let us know in the comments.
Like and subscribe, me old hearties. Come back tomorrow for more fun adventures.
Let's see if you can be the very first person to spot that parrot egg out yonder in the story. If you can spot it, comment right down there. Yeah, that's right. Right down in the comments. Ask your mama first, kids. That's good advice right there. Oh, okay, I'm gonna go back to meowing.
Free audio post-production by alphonic.com.